Now let's talk about cardiac muscle and smooth muscle. So first of all, uh, cardiac muscle is going to have a pretty similar. It's going to have a similar function to skeletal muscle because it also has myofibrils, but it's not exactly the same. So these are also going to have myofibrils. Myofibrils. So let's just say this is. Let's just really quickly draw one. Okay, so this is just one. It's going to have myofibrils, so like this. And it's also going to have a sarcoplasmic reticulum, just like the skeletal muscle. Okay. Now you're going to have things called Purkinje fibers. Okay. Purkinje fibers are basically fibers of specialized cells that are really good at conducting. And these cells are going to carry a depolarization signal. And so this Purkinje fiber is going to carry this depolarization signal, and the depolarization signal is going to be what causes sodium. These sodium pumps. There are going to be sodium pumps here. And just like the skeletal cells, these are going to have invaginations as well. So like they have these little, things that come in. But I won't go into too much detail. This is just to give you a general idea, but you're going to have these sodium pumps. They're going to open when they sense this depolarization, okay? And just like in skeletal cells, this sodium is going to come in just because of a different reason. Sodium is going to come in. I'm only going to draw one pump. But anyways, sodium is going to come in, and then there are going to be calcium pumps right here in these, right? And then these calcium channels are going to notice the voltage difference because all of the sodiums just came in, so it's going to notice the voltage difference. Calcium's going to flow in. Calcium's going to flow in. Now calcium's in inside the cell. And this sarcoplasmic reticulum, right? Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. It is going to have these proteins on it, and calcium is going to bind to these proteins. So this is a different function than before, right? Before it was the voltage difference that caused the sarcoplasmic reticulum to release calcium, but now it's the calcium that is binding to the sarcoplasmic reticulum to make more calcium come out. And this, it's actually 2 plus. So these calcium ions are going to come out, and then in that way they'll be able to bind to troponin, just like they do in skeletal muscle cells. So that's just the gist of cardiac muscle. So I'll talk about smooth muscle in the next video. But that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you.